Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. And today we are going to be talking about my daily pages in my Hobonochi Cousin. And for those who don't know, I've been using this since July, and I actually bought this as an impulse buy middle of the year. I was like, oh, I'm really craving for Hobonochi Cousin. I haven't been using for a while and I really want to use it. And I made a purchase back in the summer. So this is Hobonichi and it's been working really well for me, and I want to show you how I use it functionally in my daily pages. And for those who don't know, I do a lot of decorating in my planners, but for this particular planner here, Hobonochi Cousin, I don't really decorate that much, but I use this mainly to keep my life together and keep things organized. The only exception I would decorate is the bottom of the page. And if you look bottom here, you can see there is a washi tape. So you can see my Mimi holding its bubble tea and it's looking really cute. So the first step I would normally do is I like to divide the page. So there is an invisible line between the timeline and the right side of blank area, and there is an invisible line, and I draw a line down using a pencil. I am using this pencil or a mechanical pen. Step is that I like to section things out. I section out is based on bigger categories of things that I need to do. So for instance, I have YouTube, and I have Little Star Plans, I have Nature, which is my candle business, and then I have the personal life related stuff. So I have 4 sections that I need to separate. The way how my brain works is that I need to see as an overview of different sections compared to a list of tasks, because I don't know where I should focus on my time on. Before I section out, I do like to write with a black marker and hand letter today, because Saturday there's probably not a lot of things going on because it's a weekend and it's my days off. Keep it very simple. I'm going to use the marker. For this week, I've been consistently using the yellow marker, so I'll be continue using this marker. And it's in yellow. Hey, actually it matches my shirt. Yay, it matches my shirt. Write a line across. Another line that is closer to the top, maybe right here. And then I'll do the same underneath. Okay. So I'm gonna write down brain. And then I will use another marker, and then I would outline the brain dump so I can see it easily. I have 3 sections, and each section will have a category. And so once you have section out these 3, everyone's different, so it could be like kids, work, household, or whatever categories you like. You can have a section like that, and then in each section you write out what is the top 3 things that you want to complete or accomplish for that day, and then you write 1, 2, 3. Or for me, for instance, I would put a dot, sometimes I put a dash. Yeah, so it really depends on how I felt for that day. And then on the right hand side is brain dump. It's another term for running to-do list. So oftentimes there's so much tasks or so many things that you want to do, you're just not sure what to do. So the brain dump helps me to see an overview of all the things that I want to do, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I'll have to complete it on that day. So it's just a way for me to quickly see overview of all the tasks, and I will put a number beside it and to indicate the priority of the task if I need to complete for that day. If not, I can move this brain dump list to another day or another week. It can be repetitive if you constantly write down the brain dump task every single time. So what you can do is that you can write it onto a sticky note. Okay, so what I do next is I'm gonna write a line, and I'll show you what I mean by the line. And this line don't have to be too long. The number one will be empty out fountain pen and wash. And then I need to refill my fountain pen with a new ink. Fountain. I will need to clean the cage. So like look back on like previous week, previous day to see what else I am missing, I haven't done for a while. But because it's weekend, I don't really want to do a lot of I guess work. The only days I could relax and enjoy anything I want for that days. I know for sure on Little Star Plans I will have to make sure that the YouTube Shorts is live, and then I need to release a reel too as well, and want to make sure that the TikTok is also released. And then Nature S will be, I need to make a new reels for it, and I'm thinking of releasing maybe in the morning, so I'll put morning. I'll leave it as that for now. Hope that makes sense, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'd like to help you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends.